Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be going through NEET PG one-liners from medicine. This is part 2 of the medicine series. If you haven't already, then go through part 1 from the link above. In this video, I'll be going through all important high-yield one-liners, facts, image-based questions, and tables from the topic GIT and hepatobiliary system. Most common cause of diarrhea in adults: norovirus. Most common cause of diarrhea in infants: rotavirus. Most common cause of hemolytic uremic syndrome in developing countries: Shigella dysentery. Most common cause of hemolytic uremic syndrome in developed countries: enterohemorrhagic E. coli, strain 0157H7. Most common cause of community acquired diarrhea: enterotoxigenic E. coli. Treatment of choice for severe Clostridium difficile colitis: oral vancomycin. Gold standard investigation for fat malabsorption: 72-hour stool fat estimation. Most common abnormality of fat malabsorption: steatorrhea. Most specific investigation for carbohydrate malabsorption: D-xylose test. Selective deficiency of cubilin receptors is known as Imerslund-Grasbeck syndrome. Gold standard investigation of malabsorption syndrome: intestinal biopsy. Most common extraintestinal manifestation of celiac sprue: dermatitis herpetiformis. Gold standard management of celiac sprue: gluten-free diet. Drug of choice for Whipple's disease: cotrimoxazole. Drug of choice for Salmonella typhi: ceftriaxone. Gold standard investigation to diagnose Shigella: stool culture, and the drug of choice for Shigella is ciprofloxacin. Hospital acquired diarrhea is most common due to which microbial agent? Clostridium difficile. Best investigation to diagnose Clostridium difficile infection: PCR. Drug of choice for Campylobacter jejuni: erythromycin. Which drug has no role in maintenance therapy of inflammatory bowel disease? Glucocorticoids. Marker of inflammatory bowel disease which helps to rule out irritable bowel syndrome: fecal lactoferrin. Most common pattern of irritable bowel syndrome: constipation alternating with diarrhea. Most common organism implicated in the pathogenesis of IBS: Clostridium jejuni. Now, few important points about irritable bowel syndrome. This is a very important topic for NEET and AIIMS. It is defined by Rome II criteria, and it is defined as recurrent abdominal pain or discomfort at least 3 days per month in the last 3 months associated with two of the following: A. Improvement with defecation, B. Onset associated with a change in frequency of stool, and C. Onset associated with a change in appearance of stool. And the most important point to note is the criteria should be fulfilled for the last 3 months with symptom onset at least 6 months prior to diagnosis. Now, few points about treatment of IBS. What is the best time for antispasmodics? 30 minutes before meal. And now an expected question. What is the full form of FODMAP diet? It is fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. Toxic encephalopathy induced by Shigella is called as Akiri syndrome. Most common antibody associated with ulcerative colitis, P-ANCA. These two are very important image-based questions of Crohn's disease, and these two have been previously asked before, showing collar button ulcers. Most common viral cause of chronic hepatitis, hepatitis B. Most common viral cause of hepatocellular carcinoma, hepatitis B, and the mechanism of carcinogenesis is it expresses HBx antigen, which suppresses p53 gene and stimulates viral replication. Most reliable marker to make diagnosis of acute hepatitis B infection, IgM anti-HBc. Serological marker found in window period of hepatitis B, IgM anti-HBc. Screening investigation of choice for hepatitis C virus. The answer is anti-HCV IgG antibody, and if this is found positive in the screening test, you go for confirmatory investigation of choice, which is HCV RNA. Most common indication for liver transplant, hepatitis C. Most specific investigation to diagnose alcoholic liver cirrhosis, SGPT. Drug of choice for non-alcoholic liver cirrhosis, vitamin E. Mode of inheritance of Wilson's disease, it is autosomal recessive, and for Ames you will have to remember the gene, it is ATP7B gene. Most common CNS manifestation of Wilson's disease, the answer is tremors, and if it is asked which part of the brain is affected by Wilson's disease, the answer would be basal ganglia. Screening investigation of choice for Wilson's disease, urine-free copper ions. Confirmatory investigation of choice for Wilson's disease, liver biopsy. Investigation of choice for prognosis of liver failure, it is prothrombin time, and a very important fact to know for Ames and also as an intern or a practicing doctor is blood sample for prothrombin time is collected in the blue Vacutana. Most common site of peptic ulcer, lesser curvature near incisura angularis. Pseudopolyps are a feature of ulcerative colitis. Which part of GIT is most commonly affected by ulcerative colitis? Rectum. Which part of GIT is most commonly affected by Crohn's disease? Terminal ileum. What is the drug of choice for ulcerative colitis? 5-aminosalicylic acid. This is a previous Ames question, and this can frequently be asked in your university exam. Treatment of choice for hepatopulmonary syndrome, liver transplant. Now, two important points, if mentioned in the question, can lead to a diagnosis of hepatopulmonary syndrome are platypnea and orthodeoxia. They both signify the same thing. Platypnea is defined as dyspnea in standing position, relieved in supine position, and orthodeoxia is defined as decreased oxygen saturation in standing position. If these are present in the question, the answer would most probably be hepatopulmonary syndrome, and the treatment of choice is liver transplant. Most common clinical feature of spontaneous bacterial peritonitis, fever. Cruise ship diarrhea is caused by norovirus. Chinese restaurant diarrhea is due to Bacillus cereus. Milk sweet induced diarrhea is due to Staphylococcus aureus. Salami-induced diarrhea is due to enterohemorrhagic E. coli. Most common cause of traveler's diarrhea, enterotoxigenic E. coli. I have summarized this in the table below, so you have to learn these 5 by heart. So thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.